What if the key to understanding one of history's most devastating civil wars lay buried among forgotten firearms? The Taiping Rebellion, which raged from 1850 to 1864, saw the Qing dynasty battling the Taiping Heavenly Kingdom, a radical movement aiming to overthrow the government. As the conflict escalated, the rebels acquired various firearms through trade and adaptation, yet many weapons vanished post-war. Speculations arise. Were they destroyed, hidden, or simply neglected? These lost arms represent not just the firepower of a revolution, but the stories of those who fought and fell. Unraveling this mystery invites us to reconsider the legacy of the rebellion and its forgotten arsenals.